everyone, I am Hindi Sanchanwala and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are new here, then welcome to my YouTube channel. So, all these new viewers watching me, do not forget to subscribe, give it a like and press the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will be the first one to watch. As you guys can see, I have some amazing packages with me. So this is an unboxing video, but it's Women's Day special. So stay tuned if you want a nice good Women's Day read. So let's get into this video. The first thing that I will be opening is, I'm sorry guys, I have cheated on you thoda sa because I end up opening this before only. So let's see what does this have. Book is Lady You Are Not Man by Apurva Purohit. So author Apurva Purohit is the CEO of Radio City 91.1 FM, where she very clearly says how to balance your professional life and personal life, how to balance your work and home at the same time. So all those who are working, I would suggest them all to read this book as it's Women's Day special. So it had to be something for women. Sorry, I cheated again. It's already open, guys. I have two books. We All Should Be Feminist by Atechi. So it's an amazing book. The impact this book will be creating is completely opposite to the size of this book. So I would suggest each and everyone to read this, not just the females but also males watching this video. Do read and see what we go through. So the next book that I have is it has a very beautiful cover. The book is The Forest Enchantments by Chitra Banerjee Deokarni. Guys, it's an amazing book. Like, paper quality seems to be fine. So this book is about Ramayana. It's a rereading Ramayana with Sita's point of view. Like, she has written another book that is Pillars of Illusion, which is rereading Mahabharata with the eyes of Gandhari, that is Panchali. So excited to read this amazing book. Another package. Excited, guys. Always I thought that before this channel, I always had this feeling I want to do this kind of unboxing and stuff, but I never, I was not that confident. I used to see them and I used to feel like, yaar, kitna maza aata and stuff. I tried this earlier also, but my bad because I'm very impatient. Okay, so it's not related to women, but still, it's thoda sa dirty, but very small book. The Quick and Easy Way to Effective Speaking by Dale Carnegie. I did read this book on Kindle, but I wanted to have a paperback, so I ordered. I love this book. I'm in love with this book. I would read this now more. Okay. Yay. Okay. I wanted to read this so long. Nice Girls Still Don't Get the Corner of Office by Louise Franklin. Quality is good. Smells amazing. I love new book smell. It's New York Times bestseller. It talks about what all things women go through, during her office, like what all challenges she faces. Time for next package. Okay. I'm super excited for the one book that I have ordered. Like, I don't know, I hope. Let's see, no, not reading a lot. But guys, I wanted to talk about it so much openly since very long, because as per my knowledge, there's only one booktuber who's doing it, like who is trying to create, awareness about it. Oh, it's the same word. Oh god. So, oh, it's okay, but I'll manage. Guys, the book it's all about Bloody Time Period by Emma Barnett. So I wanted to talk about this from very long, but I couldn't because in India it's a taboo. The mental things that we go through during our days is so bad. I wanted to talk about it. I'll review this book, like I'll have a detailed review about this book. So stay tuned for it. How do I open this? Yay! This book is again by Apurva Purohit, that is Lady You Are the Boss by Apurva Purohit. Okay, so this book is the second part of Lady You Are Not a Man. So I'm super excited to read this to know what this is about. I'll check the quality. Yeah, it seems to be perfect. Smells perfect. 215 pages. It's a small weight, this book. So I'll give you a quick look to what I have got. So I got this book because I deserve to be pampered, to be loved. And you yourself fail to pamper yourself, then no one else will pamper you. So do take care of yourself so that other people will take care of you. So this was it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed my little chotu sa unboxing. If so, please give it a like. Do share this video with other females, other women out there. Do not forget to subscribe. Press the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you are the first one to watch it. Till then, bye and happy reading.